Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, the 27th of November 2013. You're watching the weekly chart. As you can see, we actually have 8 weeks in a constant rally. This rally hasn't stopped, hasn't given any pause, hasn't managed to build any higher lows on the weekly chart. However, we see a very overextended trend in the weekly chart, particular time frame, major time frame, that we have to consider the possibilities of potential corrections eventually. It's a psychological target right now, $1,000 mark, but we have to know and make sure that we are following our trading plan and in order to perform and get as much profit as possible. That's basically the situation. Back into what intraday is showing us right now, this is a long range candlestick that it can have two different meanings. We can definitely see that we actually have new historical highs with the new daily candle, but this particular one from yesterday can show us an end of this particular rally. Long range candlesticks at the beginning, or sometimes they show up at the beginning or at the end of a trend. Make sure you are ready for any potential correction. This is important to take into consideration now that we are very overextended and with a lot of potential corrections in place. And if we see those corrections, it might happen with the small time frames as a sign, first signal from these particular situations. Right now, this is the 240-minute chart, overextended trend. We see a correction, a consolidation at this moment. As you can see here, maximums and minimums relatively equal, and he might push himself up once again. Like I said before, we haven't explored any other levels as right now. So what happens here is these unexplored areas, the currency is just pushing itself up until someone or something basically pushes the price to create this particular downtrend that you help the market and Bitcoin itself to create enough memory to build more confidence for the potential traders in order to establish new historical data that it can give us more confidence in overall with the currency. And as you can see right now, we have once again the SMAs of 10 and 20 with a small divergency, and it might show us a little signal, like I said before, with potential failures on the new patterns that are coming in the next few hours. And this is the 60-minute chart. Look at what's happening. We have a P formation, which is a bullish situation here. There you go. That's the P formation that we see. We have higher lows built already, but so far the consolidation is trapped in this particular situation. You can call it a flag, call it a P formation. This signs still bullish, and we still have a chance to push the price a little bit more up. Buyers in full control of the price. There is nothing to say about that. And if something in terms of correction happens, we might have to see higher lows from the 15-minute chart up to the 60-minute chart going down, and potentially visiting areas such as 900 once again. Like I said before, we need to see possible corrections in case that they happen with the small time frames first, 15-minute chart and 60-minute chart, and after that the correction might visit once again 900, potentially a little bit more lower. We keep an eye on it. Thank you for watching. I'm Lucano. This is Mundobitcoin. Have a great day trading. See you around. Goodbye.